1 2 1 2 Aries, what's going on with y'all? So, about to get into a quick reading for y'all. I ain't gonna hold you long. Pause. But for real, I may cuss, but I don't curse. Let's get that situated first. And let's get into this, you know? Hope everyone's feeling well. Cross watches included. It's okay. If you're just checking to see how Aries is tapping into your natal chart, solar chart, however you choose to do it. You know what I'm saying? Glad that you could be here. Spirit, let's get right to it, though. Let's get right to it. Let me do a cut. Ceremonial style. All right. King of Pentacles. Came out in reverse. I'm keeping it a bean. It did come out in reverse. So I'm keeping it that way. What else we got? Ace of Pentacles. And the 10 of Torches. 10 of Wands. In reverse, though. Someone is trying to recruit you in some type of way. This can come in the form of, I'm strongly feeling incentivizing. However, the process is choppy. I smell scam artist. It could even have something to do with digital currency, meme coins, or just cryptocurrency in general. If not that, then they're coming in the form of a pause, but they're coming in the form like by way of internet, email. That's how you're going to get this message. But it's going to be fishy. It's going to be like, hey, check my WhatsApp. I'm going to send you something through WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp number or something like that, And I think that's like starting to become or will become textbook for scammers who are going to be using the whole WhatsApp thing, because it's like, what do you call that? The encrypted communication back and forth. Since it's supposed to not be detected or whatever the case may be, people are going to start using that more. So be on the lookout for that. Be on the lookout for any type of fishy messages. And I don't necessarily mean that these people or this person is 100% not legit, but it's like halfway not legit, and that's enough. It's still enough. Be on the lookout for a message like that. It's not only going to be you. I'm feeling Aries. This is going to be other people. So even if, let's say this comes across your desk, right? You should probably ring the alarm if you get down like that. You know what I'm saying? If you could put people on immediately who could be, that you feel like looking out for type shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying you gotta do a little global rant or whatever the case may be, but if you got a few people you want to put on, like, yo, look out for this because X, Y, and Z, I just got something that look wild, crazy. I wasn't feeling it. I did my research. You know what I mean? Do your research too if you feel like it, because this is just going to get you more well-informed for situations like this. And I'm feeling like, so when I say this is like, someone's going to be trying to incentivize you with something like that, it's going to be something that looks traditional, like MLM, multi-level marketing. I say that traditional now, right? That was like, 2010s that popped off really, but it's going to look something like that. It's amazing how fast things get dated, right? But it's going to look something along the lines of that, to where it's like, but if you're up on things, especially in the tech world, you're going to be like, we're still doing those? Like, we're not doing those anymore. Like, if you in and we're not doing those no more. Like, nobody's falling for that no more. You know what I'm saying? We ain't pushing. Matter of fact, I ain't going to say the name. I ain't going to do no slandering. Want nobody coming for me. You know what I'm saying? But, something along the lines of that, like they're going to be trying to incentivize you, like, to make it look like it's worth your while, but it's not going to be worth your while. And if you don't believe me, just keep looking in your emails, because you're going to get another message, another offering, and it may even still be incentivized, but it may be less it may look less, it's not going to be as showy, as glowy. It's going to be something that's just right. It's going to be something that's just enough. And you're like, yeah, I'll take that, because this is something that can actually build. It's something that's new, but nothing to be skeptical of, because this actually will grow into something. This con message might even be, like I said, it might come from an establishment or a person who does this very well, may have been caught for it before, maybe still might be out there doing it and hasn't been apprehended or whatever the case may be. But something's going to go down soon to where that's going to get outed. I'm telling you right now, whatever it is. Now this ten of torches in reverse, I'm feeling is that this thing that you grow, this new opportunity that you come, that's dealing with money, it's a financial opportunity. Should you jump on it, right? Then this is going to encourage other people, especially those who are like struggling in the work field. And I don't even mean that it has to be like struggling, they don't make a lot of money. Like they can make as a matter of fact, they probably make a whole lot of money. They can make a whole lot of money. I know you've heard it, like middle class is pretty much paycheck to paycheck, right? So in some areas of the world, they call that broke. So, and I'm not saying that to belittle them, to undermine them. I'm saying that because this newfound way of doing things, this innovation here, is going to encourage others. And it might just be one other person that could use the help. Like I said, it might be the same person that you tell to watch out for the scam. And you may be able to help them just lighten their load. So it could be a way of lean producing in some type of way, cutting overhead, something along those lines. So yeah, it sounds very entrepreneurial, sounds really up your alley, Aries anyway. So if that resonated with you, let me know. You know what I'm saying? Hit the like button or whatever the case may be. And I'll see y'all next time.